Hello my people, this is Duko Original. Good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you are. This is Mama Makori, Mama Sairo. In fact, I'm packing. I want to pack, but I've got nowhere to go. I'm packing, but I've got nowhere to go. I'm asking God to give me a place to go. I'm tired. In fact, I'm tired. I want just to feast somebody. I want to go to a place where I don't know. Can you please call me, invite me to come at your place, because I'm tired. I am tired, my people. I'm packing now. I've got nowhere to go. Can you invite me? Can you invite me to your place? I just come and spend with you just 2 days. Yes, I'm tired, guys. I want to visit someone, but I don't know who will invite me. Can you invite me to your place, please? Can you invite me? I'm just packing my things. I've got nowhere to go. I need you, my friends, to invite me to come to your place. Invite me for only 1 or 2 weeks, because I'm tired, guys. I need you. I need your invitation. Yes, I'm packing, but I've got nowhere to go. I want God to open ways for me just to travel, even if it is Mombasa, it is Nakuru, it is Kakamega, anywhere, my people. I will come. I will spend my money to come and visit you. Yes. I'm packing. I just want to visit somebody, and I have nobody who has invited me. I just want you to invite me, please. If you want me to visit you, just comment down there. Anybody needs me to visit, just comment down there. Tell me you want me to visit you. I have my own transport, I have my own fare. What you will provide is only food and accommodation, because I've got nowhere to go, my people. Anybody, my friends, anybody who needs me to visit, I'm packing. I've got nowhere to go. I just need you to invite me. Yes, I need your invitation, guys. I need your invitation. Just invite me. I'm not going to carry many clothes, because I'm not going to stay at your place for long. But just a change. Change, please. Just invite me. Yes, invite me. I come to your place. Just come to your place. We stay for 2 to 3 days, and then I come back. Please, if you're my friend, invite me. Invite me, please. Just want your invitation. Comment down there. Where are you? Where are you watching from? Will you invite me? Are you ready for a visitor? Yes. My people, I've finished packing. I just want your invitation. I'm ready to come to your place. We spent 2 to 3 days. Yes. God just opened a way for me just to travel. I don't care where you are, I'll come. I'll come. Directly, I'll come to visit you. Anyway, thank you for watching. I love you. Mwah.